Good morning students. Today we will revise chapter 3 Money and Credit. First of all we will revise the important terms like barter system, demand deposit, etc. And then we will revise the important topics mentioned in our chapter like money as a medium of exchange, loan activities of banks, terms of credit, cooperatives, etc. Let's start from the important terms. First is barter system. In a barter system, where goods are directly exchanged without the use of money, and double coincidence of wants is an essential feature of it. Second is demand deposit. The deposits in the bank accounts that can be withdrawn on demands is known as demand deposits. Next is debt trap. At times, repayment of the loan becomes difficult and credit, instead of improving the earnings, pushes the borrower into a situation from which recovery is very difficult and painful. This situation is called debt trap. Fourth term is collateral. It is an asset that the borrower owns, such as land, building, vehicle, livestock, and deposits with banks, and uses this as a guarantee to a lender until the loan is repaid. Now I am going to start the brief explanation of all the topics. Let's discuss money as a medium of exchange. Money acts as an intermediate in the exchange process and therefore it is called a medium of exchange. In our day-to-day transactions, goods are being bought and sold with the use of money. At times we do exchange services with money. And use of money has made things easier to exchange, as we can exchange it for any commodity we need. The main function of money in an economic system is to facilitate the exchange of goods and services. Next topic is modern forms of money. As we all know, in the earlier times, before the introduction of coins, a variety of object was used as a money. For example, grains, cattle, metallic coins like gold, silver, copper coins. Modern forms of money include currency, paper notes and coins. It is not made of precious metals as gold, silver, copper. It is accepted as a medium of exchange because the currency is authorized by the Government of India. In India, the Reserve Bank of India issues notes on behalf of the central government. The law legalizes the use of rupees as a medium of payment that cannot be refused in settling transactions in India. In the modern forms of money, one is deposits with banks. People deposit monies with the banks and bank accept deposit and also pay an amount of interest on the deposits. It offers a facility, that is the payments made by checks. The facility of checks against demand deposits makes it possible to directly settle payments without the use of cash. Banks keep only a small proportion of their deposits as cash with themselves, as a provision to pay the depositors who might come to withdraw from the bank on any given days. Now our topic is loan activities of banks. Banks use their major portion of the deposits to extend loans. Banks charge higher rate of interest on the loans than what they offer on deposits. Banks play an important role in the economy of a country by providing cheap loans to a large number of people. Banks employ a large number of people and thus they solve the problem of unemployment to a great extent. Next is two different credit situations, or we can say loan situations. Credit refers to an agreement in which the lender supplies the borrower with money, goods or services in return for the promise of future payment. In the rural areas, the main demand for the credit is for the crop production. Farmers usually take crop loans at the beginning of the season and repay loan after harvesting. Repayment of the loan is dependent on the income of farming. Examples are given on page number 43 as festival season and Swapna's problem. Let's discuss terms of credit. Every loan agreement specifies an interest rate which the borrower has to pay to the lender along with the repayment of the principal. In addition to this, lenders may demand collateral. Collateral means security against the loans. Terms of credit such as interest rate, collateral, documentation requirement and the mode of repayment vary substantially from one credit arrangement to another. They may vary depending on the nature of the lender and borrower. Next is formal sector credit in India. People obtain loans from formal and informal sectors. Formal sectors include banks and cooperatives, and informal sector include money lenders, traders, etc. The RBI, means Reserve Bank of India, supervises the functioning of formal sources of loans. Informal lenders charge a much higher interest on loans, so banks and cooperatives need to lend more and expand formal sources of credit in India. Cheap and affordable credit is important for the country's development, and it is important that the formal credit is distributed more equally so that the poor can benefit from the cheaper loans. Now you should also know about the loans from cooperatives. Besides banks, the other major source of cheap credit in rural areas are the cooperatives. Members of cooperatives pool their resources for cooperation in certain areas. Several types of cooperatives possible, such as farmers cooperatives, weavers cooperatives, industrial worker cooperatives, etc. Let us consider an example of Krishak cooperatives. Krishak cooperatives function in a village, not very far away from Sonpur. It has 2300 farmers as members. It accepts deposits from its members. With these deposits as collateral, the cooperative has obtained a large loan from the banks. These funds are used to provide loans to members. Once these loans are repaid, another round of lending can take place. Krishak cooperatives provide loans for the purchase of agricultural implements, fishery, loans, etc. Last topic is self-help groups for the poor. Self-help groups helps to reduce the functioning of informal sectors of credit. And they are becoming popular because they help borrowers overcome the problem of lack of collateral. It also provides a platform to discuss and act on a variety of social issues like health, domestic violence, etc. Now this is all about the chapter Money and Credit. Thanks.